back to the channel everyone. Today is the day 8 of the build and I'll give you some context of what happened last week. So essentially this is the front axle, okay, and the front axle has this square nut over here, as you can see. So what happened was we gave this front axle for chroming. So when we gave it for chroming, the outer diameter of the front axle increased by like 2 mm, 3 mm, and because of that it wasn't going through the front threads which it is supposed to go through, and that's why we couldn't fit the front rims and tires. So during the week I got this turned on the lathe machine. Like I reduced 2 mm on this and I put new threads over here with the help of the threading tool. So yeah, so this thing is ready, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna fit the front end, try and fit the engine, and go ahead from there, like do maximum stuff, full power. So let's do it. Okay, so it is 9:44 in the morning, 9:44 a.m. and I didn't record because like I wanted to focus on it. I put the front end in. Now the front rims, tires, the drum, the hub, the new brake shoes, the new brake liners, everything is put. Everything is rotating nicely. Everything is like perfect. And so yeah, it's looking very nice actually. So now it's time to put the heart of the bike in the engine. And where is the engine? The engine is over here. Yeah. Okay, so the all the engine bolts and all the clamps are over here. So what I had done is I've made a Word file. I'll put it over here at the left of the screen. And in that Word file, what I had written was what is the length of each nut and bolt, what is the diameter, so that it's like all coded. And when we are putting it again, the right part is going into the right threads, and we are not like doing some kind of jugaad. So that Word file really helps to figure it out, because these builds take time and you tend to forget such stuff. So yeah, now all the nuts and bolts have been laid out over here. Like we have them in bags and stuff. So now we are gonna temporarily put the clamps and slide the engine.
If I changed everything, the way I walk, the way I breathe, will my fate shift into the night? But here I am, same old thing, sinking deep, no ecstasy. Reality haunts the living night. If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to realize. 'Cause I've been sitting here, same old ways, taking off without the same mistake. Darling, where you going? It won't be as simple for you.
Right now is 11 a.m. and so I was planning to put the chain, but I'm going it from a different way. I've put the side stand bracket, so we'll be putting the side stand now. I'll put the brake levers and put the brake levers the shaft that goes over there behind to the drum, which opens and closes the cam for engaging and disengaging the brakes. So we'll do that and then go from there. Blood, sweat and tears that go into building a motorcycle, but it is all worth it. So we have the engine in, the both fronts and rear rim in, the front fender Shubh wanted to put in. So now we are gonna put the front brake assembly, the rear brake assembly. So the side stand is in. What happened was, while putting this side stand, it wasn't a smart idea to use a star screwdriver. Directly went and injured my little tiny boat. Okay, it happens. So let's continue.
Time will change anything. If I don't know how to grieve, the current that pushed against the tide. Maybe once,
Right
maybe
now is 12:30 p.m. It's like the afternoon wala 12:30 p.m. So the rear brake assembly stuff is done. So now when we rotate the wheel, press the brake, it brakes. So rotate the wheel, press the brake, it brakes. So now this thing is sorted out. The brakes are working very nicely. The upgrades that we have done inside for the brake shoes are working very nicely. It has a lot of bite, like you can feel it right now. And now we will continue with the front brake, the engine, carburetor and stuff. Maybe do the wiring also. So yeah.
turned around to save the time. Now I know how to leave the sign.
Okay, so about the wiring harness, the scene is, this is like a new wiring harness and this is the old wiring harness. So this is the old one and this is the new one. So the new wiring harness has 4 outlet ports over here at the end, but the old wiring harness has like this one wire which is connected to the voltage regulator, the charge controller, the rectifier and the relays. So I'm kind of confused. Should I cut it and should I make all these attachments, or is there a better, more long lasting, more long term way so that we can just put a 4 inlet port over here, break it into 2, connect it to the charge controller, connect it to the rectifier and the relays. That way this wiring harness will have no problems for a very long time, and I think that is the way we should be doing it. So this will be done during the week because it's a Sunday and on Sunday all the Goan shops are closed, so we won't be able to do it right now. But Shubh is cleaning the carburetor. Sorry, Shubh is cleaning the carburetor. Show the clean sign, Ray. Whoa, damn clean. Clean carburetor for a clean motorcycle. Okay, so we are calling it a day. The time right now is 2:15 p.m. So we have done quite a lot of work. So we have made a lot of progress, and even if we come in the evening, we still do not have the right parts and stuff to continue in the evening. So we won't be working in the evening now. So I'll end this video over here. If you like the build, if you like the channel, do subscribe. There'll be a playlist over here of the full build videos, so do check that too. And ciao to the Champion 100 build.
If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change.
After After day 8 of the Champion 100 build, news had started coming in that the COVID cases in Goa were increasing at a very rapid pace. The scenario was getting very dangerous in Goa to be out and working. So we decided to keep the build on hold till the situation improves and we can finally go out and work, build, and do the things we love again. I'm editing this vlog on 17th May 2021. We are still in lockdown and I don't know how the situation is going to be ahead. Hope for the best, hope Goa recovers soon, and we are back on track. My well wishes to the families who have lost someone during the COVID. It is a very tough time for all of us. Let's be safe, stay at home, and take good care of ourselves. Peace out.